Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today we'll be reviewing the teaser of a codename The Honor, which is developed by JNV developers. So as you can see, this is our actual land parcel. यहाँ हम कंस्ट्रक्ट करने वाले हैं हमारा टावर and this is located behind कांदिवली वेस्ट मेट्रो स्टेशन इन महावीर नगर. सो आगे बढ़ने से पहले लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट हाउजी. हाउजी क्या है ना, हाउजी क्या बेनिफिट आपको प्रोवाइड करता है. हाउजी इज फर्स्ट इंडियाज रियल एस्टेट प्लेटफॉर्म जहां हम होम बायर्स को डायरेक्टली डेवलपर से कनेक्ट करते हैं, नॉट लाइक अदर प्लेटफॉर्म जहां आप एक बार इंक्वायरी करने के बाद आपका जो कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स है वो मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ शेयर हो जाता है एंड यू गेट मल्टीपल कॉल एज वेल. सो बुक योर ड्रीम होम with your favorite developer through Housey. We're discussing some points about the project such as project overview, amenities, location, carpet areas, booking process and launch benefits and many more as well. So let's discuss about project overview. As you can see, we have 0.5 acres land parcel जिसमें हम high rise tower लेके आ रहे हैं, ground plus 37 stories which we have 3 level of basement, 7 level of podium and 29 story of residential as well. जिसमें हम प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं 2 and 3 BHK and जोड़ी options as well. Let's move forward with the location. So as you can see, our project is located in Mahavir Nagar. As you can see, just behind our land parcel, we have Kandivli West Metro Station as well as New Link Road in 50 meters, Raghulila Mall in just 5 minutes, Kandivli Railway Station in just 10 minutes, and Western Express Highway is in 15 minutes. So let's move forward with the next point, which is amenities. So in this project, we have 35 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, multipurpose court, gymnasium, kids play area and senior citizens area as well. So let's talk about the carpet areas. In this project, we have 2 BHK and 3 BHK. In 2 BHK, we have 700 square feet carpet and 866 square feet carpet. In 3 BHK, we have 1368 square feet carpet and Jodi option also available as well. So let's discuss about the booking process. Currently, you can enroll yourself by giving of token amount which is 5 lakh for 2 and 3 BHK. In this, you will be getting multiple benefits such as pricing, inventory selection, multiple payment plans and many more. So everyone, this was a teaser of codename The Honor by JNV developer in Kandivli West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.